Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Cingulate Inc., ticker symbol CING, a low-float short squeeze play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying, we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in that description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. We called out CING as a pick on our premium private Discord pre-market today at 4:36 a.m. before its parabolic run into after hours today, all the way up to 1,021%. And if you guys take a look over here behind me, here's where we called that stock. We also called out FWBI back on December 18th, December 19th, and the 20th, and pre-market today before it ran up 269%. And finally, we also called out ROI as a pre-market pick today, which ran up over 200%. We are just made different. We are just made different. And the early bird, which is this guy right over here, that guy there, gets the cash. Stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks of cash. And by the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we read those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. So now let's get right into it with Cingulate Inc., ticker symbol CING, which is located in Kansas City, Kansas. It's a publicly traded NASDAQ biotechnology company with a $3.74 million market cap and 15 employees. Now, Cingulate is a company that's been working on creating medicines for people with attention and focus issues, specifically those with ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Their main medicines in testing are CTX 1301 and CTX 1302. 1301 is like a version of a very common ADHD medicine, and it's currently being tested in the final stage before it might be approved. CTX 1302 is based on another ADHD medicine called dextroamphetamine, and it's also aimed at helping children, teenagers, and adults with ADHD. And on top of that, they're also trying to make another medicine, CTX 2103, to help people with anxiety disorders. And the company was started in 2012. Now, let's look at CING's most recent news. Now, the float on this stock is just over 822,000, making this a micro float stock. The price action went up from $2 pre-market when we first called it today to $22.34 in after hours. That's almost 1,100%. The trading volume today on the stock was over 57 million shares, and its average 10-day volume was only 38,000 shares. Now, 3 Wall Street analysts recently forecasted the average price target for this stock at $107.50. Now, this was based on a 12-month price targets issued in the past 3 months, and the highest analyst price target is $145. Now, the price can move further upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is always possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord, so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in that description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. Check this bird. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks, over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on those trades, how to read the candlestick patterns, how to use key levels, and how to read those critical indicators, and much, much more, of course. There is no guarantee that you'll be successful in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. In conclusion, Cingulate, Inc., CING, is a publicly traded NASDAQ biotechnology company in the healthcare sector, which has a low float and went parabolic with a huge trading volume today in after hours. CING, CING, is a company we will be watching. And with the right continued increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will CING run parabolic? Again, it will need continued volume. But who knows for sure? Of course, we'll need to see that continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. Again, it's not advice. We're not pros, and it's just my opinion, folks. But I will have CING on my watch list, like this guy right there. This is Double Moms. I will see all of you guys again on the flip side.